decided to get out of the house for a little bit. And we ended up finding ourselves in Cape Charles in Virginia. Gonna be some interesting sights that we're gonna see if we can get some good drone footage while we're out here. Like I said, just get out of the house. It's getting a little bit stuffy around here. A little COVID stuff. It's really being a dragger lately. But let's get into this. Thank you, Abigail.
New Year's Day adventures are always fun. There's not usually a lot of people out and about, and it makes for great travel. Going in the winter is considered off-season, so going into the day, we knew that a lot of places were not going to be open for business. It's a small town on the eastern coast of the state.
Nothing to see.
To get there, you have to cross the Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel. It's just shy of 18 miles.
What'd you see? We can't go down there.
Once we arrived, we drove around for a bit. Found a boatyard, a brewery, a beach, and some nature trails. We walked the nature trail, went to the beach, looked at all the boats, and ended our day at the local brewery.
I don't think you're gonna catch that bird, Abigail.
We were met there with the nicest people. They had just finished their polar plunge. The atmosphere of the brewery was very warm and inviting and great for all ages. Food and beer flight recommendations, and I must say, everything they recommended was delicious. They all insisted that we come back in the summer months when things are more lively. So we are planning another weekend trip to check out the town in its on-season months.